You guessed right. I couldn't just buy one. There were two diamond paintings hiding in that tube. And so here is the second one. We're going to dive in. I did pink first. What color am I doing now? And don't forget, if you want to get your own TSA, there's a code DPGen15 that you can get for an extra 15% off. And there's also a little surprise for you if you do between March 1st and April 30th. So stay tuned to the video and find out. I can't wait to start this one. Thank you so much. I'm going to turn the camera around. See you in just a second. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and if you watched my unboxing from a previous video, you know that this is the second portion of my Treasure Studios art. Came in the tube as well. This is from Ruth West. I had gotten a purple, lavender, pink flower, and you know, if you get one side of the spectrum color, you gotta get another. So this is from, like I said, TSA. And they all come with a wonderful toolkit. I'm going to put a photo in here so you can see what exactly I found in this toolkit. And crinkle alert. All right. So TSA does have a clear cover, as you can see. Look at those symbols. Are they okay? That is a dirty symbol, Rachel. We got to talk about that. This is supposed to be a PG channel, and yeah, anyway. So I absolutely love this. It is a 45 by 60. It's called Blue Ink Flower by Ruth West, and it has 30 colors. So it's one more color than the last one we looked at. And as I said in previous videos, one of my favorite sizes is the 40 by 50 and this 40 by 60, right in that range. Now what I did is I got this blue one in round. So the pink and purple is square and this one is round because I just kind of wanted to do a little comparison. And these drills are spectacular. Now, TSA's drills are a little bit smaller than all other round drills. The squares are the same as other companies, but what happens is the facets on the smaller drills make the shine and sparkle 80 times better, guys. I can't emphasize that enough. So here, look, no 310s. You're gonna get this beautiful image. Fabulous, Ruth. Oh my gosh, saluting you. And here are the symbols. You know, nothing that us that do it all the time don't, you know, but these are breathtaking. Like even in the bag, you can see the sparkle and shine. I did a Highland cow. I was drooling over the sparkle in that cow. I can't tell you enough. I did not have to use any ABs or any bling. You're welcome to, but I did not have to. If you do use ABs, make sure you get from DP with sparklers. Make sure you get the sparklers for squares because these rounds are similar to the same size as the squares, and that way it'll fit. Like I said, they use mounting glue. That is not poured glue. This is glue that's going to stand the test of time. It's not going to yellow. Similar to when scrapbooking came out with the non-acid adhesive that we all use now on our pictures and the different pins that we use in scrapbooking. This is not going to yellow. It is going to keep your drills on here because it is designed for indoor and outdoor adhesive, similar to cars, what they need for cars, and then that way you're not going to worry about it. So you're going to have on your canvas in the upper left and the bottom right a key to go by. You're also going to have all of their data across the bottom, and this will self-flatten, but because it is not a double-sided adhesive. You can roll it backwards if you want it to flatten more easily. They have 100% money-back guarantee. You can't go wrong with this. And their artwork, it's all licensed artwork. It's phenomenal. They're also coming out with amazing new artists coming all the time. And Rachel let us in on a little secret. So be checking out their Instagram page. I have some links down below. But if you want to check out TSA on your own, feel free. Don't take my word for it, but use DPGen15. Get 15% off. Also get yourself in a drawing. Anybody who purchases between March 1st and April 30th, 2021, you will be in a drawing for a $50 gift card. So it's a win-win, right? You're going to get an amazing canvas, you're going to get money off, and you get in for a prize. How amazing is that? So I am going to wrap this up. I'm going to pull out my TSA I'm currently working on, which is North Pole, and enjoy the fabulousness of these high quality drills and canvas, and think of you guys and wonderful tips and tricks that I can bring you in upcoming videos. So I can't wait to see you guys in the future. If you like this video and want more unboxings, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe and see what's coming up new to the channel. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.